All right, so hello friends. So my name is Afroz Khan. I'm the Java full stack trainer at SP Global Solution, SR Nagar, Hyderabad. Okay. So daily we are getting many calls from many students regarding they will be asking what is SP Global Solution is all about. Okay. So instead of calling them and telling like what kind of service we provide here to calling and informing to each and every student, so we thought we'll make a video on this so that everybody can understood what SP Global Solution is. Okay. So first of all, SP Global Solution, it is not a training center. It is a firm. So here at SP Global Solution, we provide different kinds of services for the students. So students means people who have completed their MCAs and B.Tech and degree holders like BCom, BSc, BBA, all those things. Okay. So we provide different kinds of services for these students. Okay, now. So as part of these services, the first service what we provide is, so we provide career guidance to these people. Okay, so as part of the career guidance, what we do is, so any student so who has completed their B.Tech or MCAs or degree, so who want to make their career in software companies, in IT companies, so what we will do, we will advise them. So based on the students background, education background, and based on students interest, so which technology he can learn. So if he learn any particular technology, so how he can get into IT companies. Okay, so if he learn any which technology, so how he can get the job soon. So all these career guidance, so we will provide it. We will be providing to the students who come for the advice over here. Okay. So the second service what we provide to the students is we provide placements here. Okay, so placements means like already if any student has already learned some technology, okay, maybe like Java, Python, or testing or mainframes. If he has already learned any particular technology and he wants searching for a job, so what we will do? So we will show them the placements. So here we have so many HR people working with us. So what you need to do is just you need to send a resume to our HR people. Our HR people will schedule interviews for you and they will be informing you if you got selected in the IT companies. Okay, no? So this is the second service that we provided as SP Global Solution. And one more service what we provide is trainings. Okay, no? So like any student, like any B.Tech or MCAs or any graduate, okay, so he want to go into any IT company, okay, so if he just have the basic knowledge of any technology, he cannot clear the interview. So why? Because when you go for the interviewer, so he will ask you in-depth questions of any particular technology. For example, if you take Java, so if you have just learned the basics of Java in your college and if you go for the interview, so you cannot clear the interview. Why? Because in the interviewer he will ask you the questions related to the, Java in depth. Okay, so that's the reason. So what students has to be done is they have to be trained on. So they have to be trained on any particular technology. Okay, after that, so he will be sent for the placements. Okay, so it's like training and placements. So first will be provided training on the for the students on different technologies like Java, Python, testing, mainframes. Okay, then we'll be sending those students to our clients. So clients means those software companies that which we have tie-ups with. So we have many clients with us. Okay, and the interview process what our clients will do is very fast. So there are few clients with us, so wherein they will just give the offer letter within a single day. So that means if you go for the interview in the morning, you can expect an offer letter in the evening. So those kind of clients are also with us. Okay, so like this we provide trainings also for the students, trainings and placements, not just trainings. Okay, now, so these are the few services that we provide at SP Global Solution. So if you have any doubts, okay, into what technology to learn, so how to get into the software companies, and if you're looking for any help, for sure, so you can contact us at the below address. So we will for sure help you in getting a IT job. Thank you.